Hello all, today I will show you how to earn on Bitcoin Arbitrage. In this method, we will use a combination of Binance and Bitqlux exchange. As you can see, the Bitcoin price on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This is because many large cryptocurrency holders are registered here. Let's start by depositing funds into our exchange account. To do this, go to the wallet and click on Deposit. Select Bitcoin and click Show Address. Copy the address and go to Binance. On Binance, you will need to buy Bitcoin first. I think you can handle that. I will start with a sum of 0.2 Bitcoin, but you can deposit any amount. By the way, let's see how much that is in dollars. As you can see, about $5,400 approx. As you can see, the funds have already been credited to the account. You may also notice that the balance is higher than the official exchange rate. Now we need to sell our Bitcoin for USDT. To do this, go to the trading section, enter the full Bitcoin amount, and click Sell. Great, now you can see a balance of almost $6,000. We need to withdraw it back to Binance. Click on Withdraw. Select Tether USDT. I recommend choosing the TRC20 network as it has the lowest fees. Now go to Binance and find our USDT address. Then copy it. Paste the address and enter the full amount for transfer. Now click Withdraw. Excellent. Now we just have to wait a few minutes for the funds to be credited to Binance. As you can see, friends, in just one round we have earned over $500. You can use this method for several rounds in a row, but no more than 3 times. Have a successful day. Thank you for your attention.